everyone, Arizona Moore here with another video review, this time of the Westgate Las Vegas in Las Vegas, Nevada. And this is a premium bedroom, they're one of their premium hotel rooms. And just off in the front door here we have a walk-off off to the side, nice little mirror. Looking this way towards the bathroom, there is a closet. Inside the closet you'll find some of your staples such as coat hangers, ironing board, things to put your luggage on, towels, extra toilet paper, always handy. Excuse me, this is our last day we're here, so a little bit of a mess, but quick shots of the bathroom. Love the big mirror. And a little hard to see, but a giant tub. Very, very big tub, which is always nice. Always nice to have a big tub. Coming back around into the room, you see there's a nice big TV, 2 double beds, so full beds, not queens. That is another, I guess, door to a walk-off, funny enough. Little place to sit around there. Then over here, if you open up your cabinet, you would have your safe, different drawers of stuff, and a little mini fridge. Comes in very handy for those leftovers, or trick about Vegas, buy a few beers, like at a convenience store or grocery store. Put them in the fridge, have one before you go out. A lot cheaper that way. The bottles of water are $4, so we didn't touch them. And then you have a nice little chair and a little desk sitting area. And of course, we're on the 11th floor here in the East Tower of Westgate Las Vegas, and there's some great views. And down there you can kind of see their pool area. Not quite opened up this morning, but it was a lot of fun there on the first day.
And now for some pros and cons. For pros, the Westgate Las Vegas is about a block from the Strip. There's a casino with plenty of restaurants, shopping opportunities, a spa, all on site. It's right next door to the Las Vegas Convention Center, and there's plenty of free parking for guests. It also has its own monorail stop and plenty of great views. In addition, there's the largest sports book in Las Vegas and an amazing pool area with cabanas and food and beverage options. For cons, it's not directly on the Strip. It's a little bit of a walk to get to the Las Vegas Strip, although you could do it. And some rooms, specifically the premium ones, have a very dated and worn appearance. If you're going to stay here, I would suggest going for one of the signature rooms or the luxe rooms, or maybe a suite. However, this resort has become one of my favorite ones in Las Vegas. As always, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content. Stay traveling, my